Forest. One sunny morning, deep in the forest, a big hungry bear was wandering around looking for something sweet to eat.
What's that yummy smell?
The bear followed his nose and found a large beehive hanging from a tree branch. So bear, oh, a beehive, that means honey, sweet, golden honey.
Just a little taste won't hurt. I'll be quiet and gentle.
Who's touching our hive?
Hello, little bee. I just wanted to taste a tiny drop of your honey.
Our honey? We worked all day for that. Go away, Big Bear. So sweet.
Someone's stealing our honey! Get him! Protect the hive!
Ow! Stop that! I just wanted a taste.
Ouch. I guess stealing honey wasn't such a good idea. Maybe next time I'll ask nicely, or find berries instead.
And from the day on, the bear never bothered the bees again. He learned that talking what is not yours can lead to lot of trouble.
Sorry, little bees.